you know,
We're getting you big updates coming in, viewers. Manish Sisodia has been acquitted in the Delhi liquor scam. Big updates coming here on Republic TV. And this is a huge update that we're getting for you here on Republic TV. The liquor scam, where we saw that a lot of Aam Party leaders were under the scanner. In the latest update that we're getting for our viewers, we see that Manish Sisodia has been acquitted in the Delhi liquor scam. The Delhi liquor scam. This case was being pursued by multiple agencies, the ED specifically, and now we see that Manish Sisodia has been acquitted in the liquor excise policy scam. A lot of legal twists and turns have been seen in this liquor excise policy case. The Delhi liquor policy was introduced in November 2021 and rolled back in September 2022 after allegations of corruption. We have seen many Aam Aadmi Party leaders under the scanner, including the Delhi CM, the former Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia, and other leaders were named in the liquor scam. So big updates coming in. Court finds no merit in charges against Sisodia. This is the latest update we're getting for our viewers. The Manish Sisodia acquitted in the Delhi liquor scam. Court finds no merit in charges against Manish Sisodia. Court says criminal conspiracy is not proven. That is why Sisodia has now been acquitted. Big updates coming here on Republic TV. Manish Sisodia has now been acquitted. Court finds no merit in charges against Manish Sisodia. Huge updates coming in, viewers, on Republic TV. So this case was being pursued earlier by the ED and the CBI, who had earlier registered this case back in August 2022 for alleged corruption in the formulation of the Delhi excise policy. The ED had initiated a parallel investigation in this case under the PMLA. Especially in the year 2022, we saw multiple summons being sent to multiple Aam Aadmi Party leaders. But the latest update coming in is that Manish Sisodia has now been acquitted in the liquor scam case. Huge updates coming here, viewers. The court says criminal conspiracy not proven. Sisodia has been acquitted. So big news which we are seeing here on Republic TV. And according to the latest update that we're getting for our viewers, this is huge for Manish Sisodia, because we see that he has been acquitted in the Delhi liquor policy scam. The Delhi liquor policy scam, we have seen multiple pleas of the former CM Kejriwal and the former Deputy CM Sisodia in the liquor scam case. The latest coming in, Sisodia is in court and he has just now been acquitted. Manish Sisodia receives a major relief from the Rouse Avenue Court. The court acquitted Manish Sisodia in the excise policy case. Big updates coming in, viewers, on Republic TV. And okay, we have Sarthak on the phone line with us. Yes, Sarthak, go ahead. This is huge because, we have seen legal twists and turns for the Aam Aadmi Party leaders in the liquor scam. But now the court finds no merit in charges against Sisodia. This was an investigation which was already, the parallel investigations by CBI, by the ED. Yes, go ahead. What's the latest coming in?
Well, this happens to be a major development in the Manish Sisodia excise policy case, where the information that we're receiving that he has been acquitted by the Rouse Avenue Court. Kuldeep, this is a huge development because Manish Sisodia was under trial for a very long time. He was arrested by the Delhi police and he was taken into custody. He was in jail for a very long time and the trial was going on regarding this excise policy case. And it is a huge development while where he has been acquitted by the Rouse Avenue Court. What all evidences have been...
Getting some more breaking news coming in, viewers. The former Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has received a major relief in the CBI case related to the Delhi liquor policy. Arvind Kejriwal has also been acquitted in the CBI case, which was related to the Delhi liquor policy. Rouse Avenue Court stated that no evidence was found against Kejriwal. The court stated that a fair investigation is essential for a fair trial. So, former Delhi CM and Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal has also been acquitted, and also Manish Sisodia. So, we're getting these updates coming in, viewers, on Republic TV. And this is huge coming in. So, after Manish Sisodia was acquitted in the Delhi liquor scam, the court finds no merit in charges against Manish Sisodia. And now, the latest is that Kejriwal and Sisodia, both of them, have been cleared of all charges in the liquor scam. This is huge coming in. Like we said, this was a parallel investigation which was by the CBI, by the ED, the entire 2022 to 2023 and 24. We have seen this case, and a lot of discussion about this case, and a lot of action was taken legally. Okay, let's go straight back to Sarthak. Sarthak, yes, Sarthak. So we see that both Kejriwal and Sisodia, they both have been acquitted. Huge updates coming here. What did the Rouse Avenue Court say? They say they have no evidence was found against Kejriwal.
Yes, the Rouse Avenue Court has identified that there were no charges were found against Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal regarding the criminal conspiracy that was being alleged by Delhi, by CBI in this particular case. The court has identified that since they haven't really been able to find any sort of trace regarding the criminal conspiracy, Kuldeep.
Sarthak, hold on for a second. I'm being joined by Shravan Sen, our Deputy Executive Editor. Shravan, you know, we highlighted the Delhi liquor scam here, and there was continuous coverage with parallel investigation by CBI, ED. Now we see that both of them have got relief. Yes, go ahead, Shravan. Yes, go ahead, Shravan. Kejriwal and Sisodia cleared of all charges in the liquor scam. Big updates coming in here on Republic TV. Shravan, go ahead. All right, we'll go back to Shravan in a short while from now. The former Delhi CM, Arvind Kejriwal, has received a major relief in the CBI case related to the Delhi liquor policy scam. Arvind Kejriwal acquitted in the CBI case. Rouse Avenue Court stated that no evidence was found against Kejriwal. Court stated that a fair investigation is important for a fair trial. Yes, let's get to Shravan back. Shravan, over to you.
Well, in fact, the Delhi High Court has basically stepped in, discharging former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, and former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. In fact, both were accused number 1 and accused number 2 in the cases that were being probed by the Enforcement Directorate as well as the Central Bureau of Investigation. More clarity likely to come in from the order which is likely to be uploaded in a short while from now, in terms of on what basis has the court basically granted a discharge to Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia. If I'm to take our viewers through the arguments that have essentially been made by Arvind Kejriwal as well as Manish Sisodia in the discharge plea that was essentially filed, they've basically argued the fact that there was no money trail that was essentially established by both the agencies. As far as criminal conspiracy is concerned, that was a charge that was leveled by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The argument that was made by Arvind Kejriwal is that there was no evidence to suggest that there were decisions that were taken by the Chief Minister, or for that matter, the Deputy Chief Minister, in bringing about changes in the liquor policy. As far as the case is concerned, both the agencies contended that there was a massive loss to the exchequer following changes that were brought into the liquor policy. The liquor policy which enabled the government perhaps to increase their fundings. That is exactly what Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia basically argued in the court, stating that the government at that point in time essentially benefited from the changes that were brought into the liquor policy.
Right. Okay. Shravan is getting us all these details. Shravan, you know, like we were saying, there were two cases: CBI case, criminal conspiracy, corruption, favoritism, and policy drafting, ED case, PMLA, money laundering, alleged kickback trail, alleged use of funds in elections. But the latest update we're getting for our viewers is that Arvind Kejriwal has received a major relief in the CBI case. CBI case. Is it only the CBI case, Shabad? All right. Okay, let's go to Sarthak. Sarthak, yes. Go ahead, Sarthak. I also want to know from you what the court has said. The Rouse Avenue Court has said a fair investigation is essential for a fair trial. Yes, go ahead, Sarthak. What did the Rouse Avenue Court say?
Well, the judges stated that the statements of the witnesses that were recorded in the charge sheet, that happens to be inconsistent. And it's one of the contentions that was put forth by CBI regarding this Delhi liquor policy case. And on that ground, specifically, the case has found that no charges were found against Manish Sisodia in this case. And they couldn't really found the money.
Yes, Sarthak, go ahead. Okay, we're getting some big breaking updates coming in. You know, Aam Aadmi Party has been defending itself when this scam first hit. They have been saying that there's no money trail has been proven, and these are all these updates we have been getting for our viewers. Now, the big story coming in right now is that Sisodia has been acquitted in the Delhi liquor scam. Court finds no merit in charges against Sisodia. Similarly, in the latest update we're getting for our viewers is that when it comes to Arvind Kejriwal, we are also seeing that he has received a major relief in the CBI case. Kejriwal has been acquitted in the CBI case in relation with the Delhi liquor policy. The Rouse Avenue Court said that no evidence was found against Kejriwal. Yes, let's go back to Sarthak. Sarthak, yes. Continue. You were saying, you were just continuing about what the Rouse Avenue Court has said. Take us through what the Rouse Avenue Court has said.
Yes, the court specifically pointed out that since the statement of the witnesses that were recorded in the charge sheet, that happens to be inconsistent, and because the arguments that were also put forth by the defense of Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia was that they couldn't really, CBI couldn't find the money trail. Therefore, the court couldn't find any charges against Manish Sisodia in this liquor policy case. The court found no merit specifically in these charges level that were levied by CBI in this case. So, specifically on a criminal conspiracy ground, court did not find any merit, and therefore they decided to acquit Manish Sisodia in this particular case. But for what we know of, there are multiple cases against Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal and other leaders of Aam Aadmi. This is specifically related to the CBI case that was filed in this liquor policy case in the Rouse Avenue Court. So what else will transpire in the other cases, that is something that only time will tell. Back to you.
Sarthak, the court has come down heavily on CBI also, saying that there was no cogent material available to implicate these individuals. So I would also like to ask you, who are these prominent people in the 23 accused that have now been discharged by the court?
Well, since we do not have the court order with us that is going to be uploaded by the court in some while, we would only be getting the details of the number of accused that was taken on record by CBI in this particular case. And once that is confirmed, we would be able to confirm how many in total people have been acquitted by CBI in this liquor policy scam. But Manish Sisodia happens to be a big name. He was in jail for a very long time, and the trial was going on since 2023. And him getting acquitted by Rouse Avenue Court is a big development because he happened to be one of the major accused in this particular case that was alleged by CBI. So what all names are there in the order and how many people have been acquitted by court in this particular case? we'll have to wait for that till the final order comes out.
Absolutely, Sarthak, and multiple charge sheets were filed by CBI after this policy, Delhi excise policy, was withdrawn in 2022, and then a CBI probe was launched. So it is also a big win for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes, absolutely. This happens to be a very big win for Aam Aadmi Party because now they can whitewash their image and say that all the allegations that were tried on them by various agencies that happened to, although all the other cases are still pending before the court, and till the time we do not reach to a plausible conclusion regarding those cases, we cannot say anything as of now. But in this particular case, that can be taken up as a huge defense by Aam Aadmi Party leaders at this point.